Hi, it's Steve from Bosch, visiting with the guys from Toolstop today with the brand spanking new GEX 18V 125 Random Orbital Sander. Ergonomically designed, giving optimal control over larger areas with a robust metal plate. The machine comes with the bag for collecting dust. Also able to be used with the Bosch Click and Clean system, with the hose in the front making dust extraction fantastically effective. This is the GEX 18V 125 Random Orbital Sander from Bosch here at the Toolstop.